We're going to wear our hair in a ponytail, but we want to feel secure. We're thinning and balding. So we're just going to cover this up. And this little stick will do the job. Welcome to Living Irving. My name is Latanya. I have traction alopecia and I show hairstyles on how to cover up your bald spot with various types of products, mainly edge sticks, like black control edge sticks. I'm here to demonstrate how to solve a solution to anyone that's suffering with the loss of their edges, how from time to time you may want to be able to wear a ponytail, and this is what I do if I'd like to wear a ponytail. So let's go ahead, hop into the video. So this is my hair. I washed it. It is dry and in its natural state right now. It's a little bit damp, and I am just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair. And this is the S-Curl No Drip Curling Activator, and I love this stuff for moisture in my hair. It just keeps hydration in there. The star of the show is this dye pen right here. It's nothing but a black edge control stick, if you ask me. This is what it looks like. I am going to take my favorite Shine and Jam, and the reason why I like to use this is because it holds my ponytail down and it works well with the edge control, meaning they both have a shine to it, so it just makes it look more natural. So I'm going to go ahead, take a little bit of my edge control. Now it looks like I'm wearing my hair tight. I am not wearing my hair tight at all. The edge control gel has like a good super hold on it, which gives the illusion of tightness. As you can see, I haven't even touched my hair. So when people are freaking out and seeing my videos, my hair is not tight. I know better, and I did not lose my edges wearing ponytails, just to let anyone knows that stumbles on my videos. So this is what it is looking like, guys. So you can see there's hole there. So I am going to go with a little part right here down the middle. For this look. And so my hair is super thin, so you can see scalp. And I think people start freaking out when they see my hair. Like, it's just thin. It's just the grade of my hair, guys. And then I'm going to take my toothbrush, just kind of slick things down right here. Close some of those little gaps up. And this is just my natural hair, so it just looks really tight, guys, but it's not. Next, we're going to go in with our hair dye pen stick, and I'm just going to take it up like this. This is not shoe polish. I get so many insults on this product. It's like an edge control. It looks just like this. It's creamy and it blends out like so. And yes, it can be messy. Yes, it can run down your face if you are profusely sweating. So yes, this is definitely temporary. So we're going to focus primarily in these areas up front. So we're going to go right back here first where that little bald spot is, and we're just going to stick a little product there. And you're going to work your way through this, starting with a little product at a time. Then we're going to take a little product here, stick here, and just repeat. That's what we're looking like. Repeat the same, the other side. Wherever your problem areas are, add a little bit at a time, like so. Then we are going to take our finger and we're just going to blend. See how that's looking natural? Focusing on the harsh edges and just blending out. This is not perfection, but it does the job for me. And when I'm ready to take it out at night before bedtime, I just wipe it off with a soapy rag, shampoo it out. But I do not sleep with this in my hair. This really works. Let me do my edges. I'll take a little Got2B Glued. I use this simply because I'm gonna be wearing this today and I don't want my edges to move. Prevent this from transferring, okay, we're just going to take our freeze spray. I'm going to spray it on here, not too much. And why I like to do this is because it just helps not only to lay the edges down, but it takes a little bit of the excess product and give it a more natural, sucks in some of the excess juice from the edge stick. And I'll be back to pop on the ponytail. Kind of Yaki, natural looking ponytail. I'll pop this on. So see how it takes off a little bit of the product? I'm just closing some of the gaps here. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Where's the bald spots? Is it permanent? No, it's not. If it rains on your head, will your hair drip? Probably, if you get a lot of rain. But most of us, we cover our hair up in the rain with an umbrella, or most of us put some sort of paper bag over our head. Now, I did put this to the sweat test at a barbecue, and it was that hot, and it did run down. So, the Got2B Glue Holding Spray does help with the transfer a little bit. I did not put a lot of spray. The more spray that you put, the better it will hold from transfer, but it can make it look a little bit drying. The reason why I like to use both the pen and this product together is because they marry together. They look shiny together. They look more natural. My ladies with traction alopecia, don't give up hope if your edges are thinning and gone. That does it for this videos, guys. Leave me some comments below. Let me know if you tried this product and let me know what you think about the hairstyle. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.